Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Veed.io for green screen removal, detailed guide step by step clearly. Open your preferred web browser. Type in the URL www.veed.io. Once the page loads, look for the login option. Click on the login button. You will be directed to the login screen. Here, you will see options to log in using email or social media accounts. If you want to use your email, enter your email address in the designated field. Next, input your password in the password field. If you've forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link for recovery options. Once all fields are filled, click the Login button. If you choose to log in with a social media account, click the corresponding icon. Follow the prompts to complete the login process using your selected social media account. After logging in, you will be redirected to the Veed.io dashboard. From here, look for the Upload button to begin your project. Select your video file with the green screen you wish to edit. Once uploaded, you will land on the video editing interface. Locate the Edit menu on the toolbar. Click on Chroma key or green screen option to remove the background. Adjust the settings as needed to achieve the best results. Preview your video to ensure the green screen removal is satisfactory. Once you are satisfied, go ahead and export your video. Select the desired format and quality for export. Click on the Export button to finalize your video. Your video will now begin processing and will be ready for download shortly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.